clicking on the link, coming back to my channel, guys. Thank you. I appreciate it. Last week I did not make a video because it was a lot going on. So I really didn't have any time. Now I do have a lot of time, a lot of dedicated time just for you. I see you watching, right? See you, I see you. So today, before I even get into that, check my shirt out. You see this shirt? I was like, what can I wear for, like, you know, it's February, it is Black History Month. So I decided, pull out Theodore Obama. Now let me tell you, this shirt is very, wow. This shirt is very aged, right? But anyway, today the video is gonna be on the February Boxy charm. Let me tell you, me and my friend, we religiously wait for this. You know why? Because we're always like looking for new products. She's trying to start something, I'm trying to start something. And this just helps with anything that you're building when you're on the screen, or if you're trying to, you know, do makeup, or you're trying to learn as a woman. I think this is amazing. I love this. And the reviews are gonna keep coming and keep coming and keep coming. You feel me? This is a faithful review that I will always post. I will always have a Boxy charm, just because unless things start becoming repetitive, then I won't have a Boxy charm. I won't do the review. Like if I start getting like duplicates like every month, I'm cutting it. Period. So I'm gonna show you what comes in the February Boxy charm, and I'm gonna list the total amount of the entire Boxy charm here, the complete Boxy charm, and then I'm gonna the total of every item added up. And then I'm gonna post here of how much you're gonna spend when you subscribe every month to Boxy charm, okay? So I'm gonna show you what I got. I was looking at the Boxy charm Instagram, and they give you like sneak peeks every month. And there's also like websites dedicated to, if you're like, cause a lot of people subscribe to different things, right? And if you wanna hurry up and see what you're getting, they have like little forums on the internet where they have like little sneak peeks or whatever. So I know the first item that is on the list is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This one right here. Now let me tell you, this, I was excited, so excited about receiving, simply because I need a mascara. And then the new one that I got, I think it's like a CVS brand, right? I wear lashes, as you can see, and I have the Better Than Sex on right now. But what I like about this, most of all, is the point that when you take your eyelashes off, I wash my face every night. I don't wear my makeup to bed. I can't do that. Y'all can keep that. I don't do that. So when I take my eyelashes off, right, I like to gently do this little thing, this little motion. I do that to my eyelashes so it can get that residue off while I'm washing my face with a little bit of soap. I do that to them, right? And the mascara I just stopped using. I'm just gonna use that in emergencies. I just picked it up, didn't know nothing about it. It doesn't like come off. This comes off. Like all you gotta do is do this, and it like makes your eyelashes like so full. Now, I wear top lashes. I don't wear bottom lashes, right? So what I did was, let me get closer. I put on white eyeliner just so you can see how full it makes your bottom lashes. And I usually pull my bottom lashes out sometime, but it's not as vibrant. Like you can see them from here. While I sit back here, you're like, oh, her bottom lash is poking out. You see me? What I'm trying to say? That's the point. So this is really good. I like this. This is good. You get a round of applause for this. Good job. And then the next one is the Pretty Vulgar bronzer is called Shimmering Swan. I have this on as well. I did not record the makeup section because I just feel like my makeup is cool. Like, it's a lot of gurus on there that's showing you the cut crease and all that. I don't do all that. I don't have time for that. This takes me long enough, the natural whole look, so I don't really I don't think I'm gonna do that. Someone asked me in my Instagram, they asked me, and I'm getting a few little questions, y'all. So someone asked me to do a video on my eyebrows. One person. I ain't gonna size it. It wasn't 2. It wasn't 16 people. People ain't just messaging me to do it. One person asked me, so I thought about doing it. But y'all can let me know if these eyebrows is really like popping like that I should do one. But I'm not into that because there's so many videos on Instagram. But anyway, back to the review. So I get this pretty Vulgar bronzer, right? Am I saying it right? Highlighter, sorry, highlighter. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It's on my nose. It's in my little crease. I got it here a little bit, if you can see. It's real cute, I like it. Cause usually I've been using, I forgot the name of it, but it's the 4-1, I think it's Anastasia. I'm using that one. That one's good, I like it. But this one is like, you don't have to add nothing to it. And it's like really like, it's like beachy, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna put it on my arm and you get to see how it shines. It's nice, I like it. So I only put like a little here, little in the crease, little in the nose. I like it, it's pretty good. So I think I'm gonna be using this for the summer, actually. This is a nice summer highlighter, okay? And then next, the star of the show. So the star of the show is this Pore-Blem. It is a primer. Now, 2 weeks ago, I was doing my makeup at work, right? I forgot my primer. That was the only time I felt like my makeup was not blending well. And I was like, yo, what is going on? Like, I know I'm taking care of my skin. Like, all I drink is water. I'm not sure what it is. So then I realized, I was like, on the bottle it says the top secret touch to makeup. That's what it says on the bottle. So when I got this, I was like, yo, that's what I was probably missing that day, right? I used this today. I did this whole face yesterday, and I wanted to do this video today, but I didn't. But I used this. When I tell you, like, my problem areas is over my eyes to get everything to like smoothly glide, and sometimes under my eye. This is amazing. I love this stuff. 2 pumps. That's it. I was using something else and it's pretty good, but this is bomb. Like, this is gonna be probably a staple now. It's pretty good. Next is this Tula Bright All Night Mask right here. This thing, I use it today, I used it yesterday. The pros is it really brightens, it makes your skin a little lighter. I didn't do it before or after, but you'll see this little clip of it on my face when I was walking outside, and I was like, oh, I forgot to record, so I just jumped in the house camera. So, and here it is at the bottom, and you'll see it on my face or whatever. So it comes with 4. I used 2, but the Boxy charm came with 4. And here's what they look like. They're really cute. I like the packaging. And the pro is that I feel the benefits of when I take it off, but the one con that I have for it is that, yo, it drips in my eyes. Like, it's so drenched. Like, if you look at my other Boxy charm from the previous month, they put a mask in there. That mask really absorbs in. I forgot the name of it. But this one, it absorbs in, but it's like so much liquid that it was literally burning up here. It was dripping into my eyes. I had to put like little tissue here because, and then if you don't secure it down, it'll drip down your thing. So make sure it's very secure. It has flaps. And then watch out for your eyes, that's all. So that was the only con with that, but it's pretty good. I'm excited to have 2 more of these, right? And then last but not least is this SmashBox, and it is in Throwback Jam. It's like a plum purple. I might wear this tonight because I'm wearing all black. I'm not wearing this shirt though. I didn't want to put it on with the shirt. But you get this thing. It looks really pretty. I did not put it on because it stains, and if I took it off, it was gonna stain, so I haven't used it. So those are the 5 things that I received in a BoxyCharm. So in price, the first one, the Better Than Sex, this is $24. $24. 24. And this is how much you pay for the BoxyCharm per month. This is $24 alone, right? The Pretty Vulgar. This one in store, it is $32. First of all, my foundation be like $32 to $50, depending on what I get. This thing is $32. And I'm gonna provide the link below to see if that's really what it is. So I'm gonna Google everything on through this whole video, and I'm gonna put it at the bottom to see if it's really $32. Cause I'm just like, no offense, the packaging is cool, but I wouldn't pay $32 for this unless I'm doing BoxyCharm. I wouldn't do that. So this is a steal if it's really $32. The No Pore-Blem is $18. Now this I would pay $32 for. This is the foundation of your makeup. It's $18. It's listed as $18, and you're paying $21. So remember that. These come with 4. I don't know how they're sold online, but they're $24. I don't know if it's like per 1, per 4, or I don't know if these masks maybe come in like a package deal if I look them up online, but you'll see when I post it below. And then SmashBox is $21 to $24. I don't know why it's a range, but it's $21 to $24. I'm just gonna say 21, whatever, because you're still saving. And I'm going to talk about what I received. So online, they had these 2. They said you would receive these, right? We got these, but there's so many variations of the BoxyCharm. So what I wanted to receive versus what I got, like the masks are cool, but they were offering a body cream, a Coco Cabana body cream, that blue and white bottle. They offered that, but I didn't receive it. My friend, no, she didn't get it. She got the oil. It was variation. So then they had a Clean Bee facial cleanser. I wanted that because I love to try like new facial, whatever. And I didn't get that. My friend got that variation. And then they had this big lip pencil. Like it was really big. It was like a lip cream. And I kind of wanted that too. So I think next month I'm going to switch it up. And I'm actually going to change the colors that I get, just because I'm not a big plum fan. Not a big plum fan. So overall, I mean, I like this BoxyCharm. It was cool. I used it. I felt like I use more products now. If you can look at my makeup, like, I took my time today, y'all. I really took my time. But check out my shirt. I don't think people can find this anywhere. If you can, just put it in the link so I can buy another one, because I ain't seen nobody with this. But anyway, so that is the BoxyCharm. Thank you for watching. I have another video coming soon. And I want y'all to stay tuned because it's going to be lit. It's going to be real lit. And then I have another one with my other friend. That's going to be lit too. That's going to be on a food subscription. So we're going to try that out. But anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Leave a comment below of anything you want me to review, anything you want me to take a look at, any questions about this unit on my head. I can provide you with that information as well. And this is the same unit I had on in my affordable wig review. I had to pick it a little bit more, make it a little, you know, face friendly, because it was real thick on the side. But I made it thinner. So any questions, comments, suggestions, you know, whatever, let me know below, y'all. Thank you for watching. See you later.